Right effort in Tibet, Zangbu Chawa or Le Zangbo. Right effort is the wholehearted, diligent, and energetic endeavor to train our mind and heart. We are to renounce or transform negative feelings, thoughts, and other unwholesome state of mind. We are to abandon those negativities that have arisen in our awareness. In addition, we are to develop and maintain positive, loving, virtuous, and wholesome state of mind and heart. Right effort means we avoid being carried away by distractions and desires. We are to develop steady perseverance, making a firm and unshakable resolve to practice the Dharma. We endeavor to express love, compassion, wisdom, and virtue in our thoughts, speech, and actions. Without enthusiastic effort, whether right, wrong, nothing can be accomplished. For the creation of positive karma, this effort must be righteous, because misguided effort will cause harm and therefore the creation of more negative karma. Discipline and joyous diligence in application of right effort is the key to persevering on a path. The path to liberation must be firm and always executed with the right effort. The practitioner uses his or her effort to progress to positive way, or her abilities to improve the quality as well as the quantity of the effort will also improve. We truly want to awaken and attain the liberation from suffering. We must practice with enthusiastic effort and joyous diligence. We practice with a joyful enthusiasm because we are excited by the positive outcomes of our Dharma practice. In this way, we are instead uplifted and energized more and more as we put more effort into our practice. It is at this point that our ordinary efforts truly become right effort. The right effort is the diligently trained our mind and heart and transforming of one's own mind and heart. Thank you.